Hey, Fisher. What's going on, buddy? Show everybody what you just did. Can you do it again? Hmm? Can you do it again, bud? You hiding your head from everybody? Don't you want to say hi? Go on, you can do it. You need some help? You can do it. You can do it. Oh, here we go. Ready? You got it. Oh, you gotta get your arm out of there. Oh, you just did it all by yourself. Can Mommy stop torturing you? Mama, stop torturing you. There we go. Ready? Oh, there we go. Yay! So just before this, I did it all by myself. Okay, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.